ducks. We have 11 ducklings and the mama duck right down there in the cattails. Yeah, we had a great day. We were excited about these ducks that moved in. I think they're going to be here for a little while now. I posted a short video earlier of them swimming through the middle of the pond, and I counted 11 ducklings. Hey, Gay Riz, how you doing? "11 ducklings." There's the mama. She keeps diving down. There they are. They're right on the edge of the stone wall here. Here they come. I'm trying to keep it as steady as possible, but it's a little tough. I'm zoomed in. Here they are. Look at that. That's a good shot. Oh, here comes. Don't get left behind, little guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. Check it out. Are they gonna climb into the house? Here we go. Into the house they go. Follow your mama. Hey, those little guys, you have to climb up. Don't get left behind. They're going the wrong way. All right. Man, that little guy's going around the corner. Wrong way. 2 of them. They'll find their way back. That one's about to get in the house. This is cool. Pretty exciting. We're happy about this. What do you think, Raven? She hasn't even noticed them. Moose? He could care less. All right, everybody, it's our dinner time. Hey, William. The ducks are in the enclosure, the little duck house here. We have 11 ducklings that moved in. Check out the short video that I posted earlier. You can get a good view of them swimming across. They just all went in. We are about to end our live stream. It's time for the puppies to get some dinner. You broke your ribs fighting. Uh-oh. Hope you have a speedy recovery. What do you think, puppies? There's Raven. Hey, here comes Moose. Whoa, buddy. Little zoomy action. Yeah, I just hope they stay in the water, because we do have some feral cats that live around here, and that would not be good. Well, this page is all about the puppies, so I'm not going to show my face. But you can call me the dude. Yeah, his paw's doing good. He seems like he's fully healed up. They're back to playing around and running around. We went scootering the other day. Moose is doing good. Back to normal. Took a little while. All right, puppies. A little more playtime.